Are you aware that digital technologies can significantly enhance your smile makeover process? Are you able to confidently choose between a 3D printed, milled, or handcrafted dental veneer? I am Dr. Perea-Lowery, a specialist in cosmetic and prosthetic dentistry, and I am here to help you find answers to your cosmetic dentistry questions. Subscribe to my channel, where I will introduce you to key information linked with the latest technologies for the best treatment outcomes. The traditional process for making porcelain dental veneers requires a highly skilled dental technician working closely with a dental specialist. This traditional way consists of a manual workflow where a dental technician crafts your veneers. The results can be exceptional. However, the quality of the finished product is highly dependent on the skills of the technician. As a result, maintaining consistency can sometimes be difficult to achieve. Since this is a manual process, the preparation of a full set of veneers can take between 4 to 10 working days. In order to increase speed and consistency of the finished cosmetic dental treatments, some alternatives to the crafted or layering process are available. Those involve computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, also called CAD/CAM technology, as well as 3D printing. CAD/CAM technology provides the ability to manufacture restorations in a single visit. Both veneers and crowns can be manufactured in this way. This process is at least as accurate as traditionally fabricated veneers. This digital workflow increases efficiency and optimizes the process, providing highly aesthetic restorations. The process involves the taking of digital impressions, which are scans of your teeth. Those scans are transformed into images for immediate viewing and allows your dentist to examine the teeth that are being treated and look for any deficiencies and to correct them immediately. From there, the cosmetic restoration can be designed and fabricated. In contrast with traditional impressions, models have to port and physically create it before it is possible to identify areas that need the attention of the dentist. With those additional steps involved in the manual fabrication of cosmetic restoration, there are more opportunities for errors. The milling process then gives your dentist a complete control over the procedure and increases your chances as a patient to receive a very precise restoration in a much shorter time. A digital workflow is also involved in the 3D printing process, where digital impressions are taken in the same way that I mentioned for the milling process. 3D printing is an additive process, so parts are built layer by layer. Each layer requires a high level of precision and accuracy to ensure the quality of the finished product, which in this case can also be a dental veneer or a crown. After the digital impressions, a model of your teeth can be 3D printed in just a few minutes. The process of creating a 3D printed veneer takes a fraction of the time versus the traditional method, with high level of precision. I hope that by now you have a better idea of the pros and cons of the different alternatives for the fabrication of a cosmetic dental restoration. Once you have decided to start your smile makeover process, discuss them carefully with your dentist and request alternatives that allow you to be involved in each step of the process. I believe that this information has been useful for you. Join me in helping you to shape your vision of an enhanced smile. Hit the subscribe button and use my expertise as a resource in your journey towards enhancing your smile.